Since 2010, the Best Notary has been helping attorneys and wealth managers connect with highly vetted mobile notaries nationwide. When the pandemic began, Patricia DeFonte, a San Francisco estate planner who serves tech-savvy families in Silicon Valley, challenged us to build a remote online notarization solution that could help our most vulnerable clients skip in-person signings.
Thanks to California law compelling the acceptance of notarizations performed out of state, Californians have been able to meet with remote notaries based in Virginia since 2011 while complying with both federal and state law. To add even more value to estate planners, we perform detailed document reviews for accuracy and completion, provide witnesses on demand, coordinate custom assembly of estate plan binders, and record documents electronically or by walking them into county recorder offices. Our growing global team of 14 is committed to treating our clients like partners. Relationships are at the core of everything we do.